In this video, I'll show you some clever and creative life hacks, smart tricks, and fun ideas that you can try at home. They're easy, useful, and a lot of fun, so let's get started. First, take a syringe, remove its needle, cut off the top, and then take out the back part. After cutting the top of the syringe, make a hole using an iron soldering tool, then insert the piezoelectric crystal and fix it with glue. Take a plastic bottle cap, apply glue to the piezoelectric crystal, and fix the cap onto it. After fixing the cap on the piezoelectric crystal, take a tic-tac box, apply glue to its backside, and attach the syringe to it. Remove the rubber from the backside of the syringe, fill the syringe with perfume, then place the rubber back inside the syringe. After that, press the piezoelectric crystal and aim at the target. Once the target is hit, your DIY project is ready to use. After cutting the top of the plastic bottle, trim it evenly with scissors, then draw a circular mark on it with a marker and cut it using a cutter. After making the hole, cut the plastic bottle cap and fix it onto the top of the plastic bottle using glue. If you love amazing and creative tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. After attaching the plastic bottle cap, cut the backside of the plastic bottle, then insert the bottle top into it and place a toothbrush inside. Now place the toothbrush in the holder and use it. A simple and useful hack is ready. After placing the toothbrush, you can use this hack daily. It's a super convenient and space-saving idea. This is also a simple and amazing idea. Take a rubber and remove its packaging. After removing the packaging, take some pins and attach them to the rubber. This is a simple key hanging idea. After attaching the pins, apply glue to the backside of the rubber and stick it to the wall. Now you can easily hang your keys on this rubber holder. Now your key holder is ready to use, simple, convenient, and space-saving. After cutting the top of the plastic bottle, cut the back side as well. Then trim the back evenly with scissors and apply glue to it. Finally, attach the top part of the bottle to the back. This is also a simple home idea. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment on the video, and don't forget to share your own creative ideas with us. After fixing the top of the plastic bottle, the pen holder is ready. Now, place pens and pencils in the top section, and store pins or other small items in the bottom part. This DIY pen holder is both creative and useful, perfect for keeping your workspace neat and organized. Remove the needle from the syringe and cut off the top part of the syringe. After cutting the top of the syringe, cut the pin from the needle. Now apply glue to the needle and attach a small pin on top of it. Now, attach the pin to the syringe. Now, press the back of the syringe, and the pin will pop out, hitting the target in front. Cut the top of the plastic bottle, and after cutting, use scissors to make the edges even. Now, apply glue to the top and attach the popsicle sticks to it. And just like that, our candle stand is ready. Now, light the candle and place it inside. This candle stand made from popsicle sticks and a plastic bottle is amazing. Comment below and let us know how you like our tricks and ideas. Take a popsicle stick, cut it in the middle, and then apply glue to one side of it. Attach the bottle cap to that side. After attaching the bottle cap to one side, now apply glue to the other side and fix the glue gun on it. This way, the glue won't drip down, it will collect in the cap. Thanks for watching the video.